Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to set multiple take profits in your trading view and you are looking out how to do so, you can follow up these process for that. So I just get started. So you can go over and open up your trading view, and once you open up your trading view, you can go to the product section, and within product section you can go to your super charts where you can set up multiple take profits. So once you are here, you can start by placing your initial order with a single TP signal. So you can place it wherever the scale and right click on it. And once you do so, you can select the option of trade here. And after you select trade, you can create up a new order. Select create new order. And you can start by setting up your initial, stop loss, and one take profit level if desired. So you can find the minimized order, enter it up, and once you do so, once you have entered up your positions where your live trades are listed, you can just go and click on buy and buy one initial. After that is done, you can close the pop-up and you can choose a partial close, and you can do this at different price levels to secure the profits at TP1, TP2, TP3, etc. So you can just go over and right click on it once again on another scale and trade and select create new order. After that, just go over and navigate to another position where you wanna increase your take profits. You wanna go ahead and place your price levels to secure profits. You can just go over and paste it. After that, again check mark this take profit, and then you can enter up the value that you would like to do so and click on this buy option once again, and you will be finding the profit orders directly on your screen right there. And you can just go over and look out for the partial exist, and just go over and let lock in to gain incrementally while keeping the part of the trade open for bigger trends. And that is how you set multiple take profits in your trading view. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.